Sai Jithan, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video I'll try to go to the PUBG 90 FPS support test in the Mi11X device using the PUBG's latest 1.4 version. As you can see friends, right now I did install the PUBG 1.4.0. So this APK I'll try to post in my Telegram group. So make sure to join in my Telegram group, which is a Sai Tech Guru, as you can see. So Sai Tech Guru YT, just type in the Telegram group and you can get my link. And in case if you have any other queries, so make sure to message me in the Instagram, friends. So recently I started to do this kind of thing, so where you just need to take the screenshot after subscribing to my channel and click the bell icon and send me the message in the Instagram. So if you have any other queries in the Instagram, so definitely you can message me in the Instagram after following me in the Insta, as you can see. So then you can ask your queries and definitely I'll try to reply to you. So make sure to send the screenshot after subscribing to my channel. So in this way I will be able to keep track of who is asking what type of questions, and I'll be able to make videos on that particular doubts. So definitely do as it is. So make sure to take the screenshot and send me in the Instagram. And it is a 120Hz refresh rate I did turn on during this time of testing. So let me try to quickly open the PUBG game right now and let's see whether the PUBG game will be actually supported with the 90 FPS options or not. So without using any config file. So this is another thing which I forgot to mention. So no config file is used during this time of testing. Let me quickly show you the settings, friends, as you can see right now. So these are the settings which is available right now, and there is no 90 FPS update. So in this Mi11X device, as you can see, friends, so this is a PUBG 1.4.0 version. The reason why I'm saying there is no 90 FPS update, because it is a Realme X2 Pro. So as you can see, it is a Realme X2 Pro. So where I did use the same kind of PUBG version. So let me try to quickly show you, friends, the PUBG version. So it is a PUBG version which is a 1.4.0. So which I installed the same APK in this Realme X2 Pro, and I was able to get the 90 FPS support in this phone, but not in the Mi11X device. So till now I did not get that kind of 90 FPS support, as you can see, friends. So 90 FPS in the Realme X2 Pro, but not in the Mi11X device. So maybe I need to use the, I think, config file. So I think maybe I'll try to use another config file and I'll try to test in the latest version as well, which is a 1.4.0. So same kind of method which I did before using the config file. But before using the config file, I thought of just making a video on this particular smartphone, whether you can see any kind of 90 FPS update or not. But you cannot see any kind of 90 FPS update at the moment here, as you can clearly see, friends. So that is another thing. And definitely if you don't see anything over there, you won't be able to see even on the top as well regarding the 90 FPS update. So do let me in the comments below, friends, what are your thoughts, and are you able to get 90 FPS or not in the settings without using any config tool. So maybe in the next video I'll try to use the config tool and I'll be back again with another video. So just a basic demonstration, friends, because a lot of viewers, they're asking me with the have you tried with the PUBG's 1.4 version or not. So that's why I thought of trying this 1.4 version and testing in this Mi11X device. So and it's not working. So again I'll be back with another video using the config file, and I'll try to test the same kind of simulation, whether the phone will be supported or not. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.